I wish we were living in a perfect world where there was no struggles, there was no misery, there was no suffering at all. I wish there was an abundance of food, water, and other supplies.
And दुनिया कितनी सुंदर लगती ना, हम सब कितना खुशी खुशी शांति से रहते। क्या सच में हम खुश रहते? Well, to answer this, let me tell you about a crazy experiment called Universe 25. In the year 1968, a researcher called John Calhoun of the National Institute of Mental Health did a crazy study which reveals the fragile nature of perfection. What he did was that he built a beautiful perfect society for the mice. There were 16 buildings and 256 flats for the mice residents, and each flat could accommodate 15 mice. He called this perfect Garden of Eden Universe 25. The mouse residents had everything that you can imagine. They had abundance of food, never-ending supply of water, rooftops, dining halls, and ample amount of spaces around them. Well, truly, ऐशो आराम की जिंदगी जी रहे थे वहाँ पे चूहे. But the researchers and his team found out the truth to be completely opposite. खाना, water, ample spaces होने के बावजूद भी the mice residents suffered from a phenomena called behavioral sick. That means that in spite of having ample spaces to live, the mouse residents started living in selective spaces. They congregated there, they ate their food at that very place, and they lived around those selective areas only. कुछ सुना सुना से नहीं लग रहा कि इतना बड़ा इंडिया होने के बावजूद भी why do we all want to live in or near Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, etc. Well, इससे हुआ क्या कि उन जगहों की population density explode करने लगी और जो dominant males थे ना वो हाइपर एग्रेसिव हो गए। उस एरिया के कंट्रोल के लिए लड़ने मरने को तैयार हो गए, जबकि फूड, पानी सब कुछ अबंडेंस में अवेलेबल था। तो बेचारे वीक मेल्स थे, they became isolated. They left their fatherhood. They stopped mating. They started living in safe areas जहाँ पे कोई उनको डर ना हो. Society became too chaotic. जो female mice थी, you won't believe, they began abandoning their children because they had no father over them. Their children had no protector. The society was violent, and the females even started killing their own children because they thought that these children would even survive in this hyper-violent society. And guess what? On the 600th day, everyone in that perfect society was completely dead. This experiment leads us to ponder whether a perfect society without any purpose will give birth to all the vices. कहते हैं ना यार, खाली मन शैतान का घर.